Willis Judd Copper Bracelet is marketed as a wellness accessory that supposedly helps reduce joint discomfort and support overall well-being through the natural properties of copper, but the real question is, does it actually do anything, or is it just a bracelet with health claims attached to it? Now, to be fair, copper bracelets have been popular for decades. Many people wear them because they like the appearance, the tradition behind them, or because they believe they provide wellness benefits. What it does well may look stylish and well-made. Many buyers purchase copper bracelets primarily as fashion accessories rather than medical devices. Comfortable to wear, a bracelet is easy to incorporate into daily life without any effort. Where the hype falls apart, there is little scientific evidence for major health benefits. This is the biggest issue. Research has generally not shown copper bracelets to significantly improve arthritis, circulation, or overall health. Copper absorption claims are often exaggerated. Even though copper is an essential mineral, wearing a bracelet is not a proven way to meaningfully increase copper levels. Many users notice no measurable difference. Negative reviews frequently mention that the bracelet feels no different from wearing ordinary jewelry. So, does a Willis Judd Copper Bracelet actually do anything? Short answer, as a bracelet, yes. As a proven wellness device, probably not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.